Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful Ferris wheel crochet earrings made with fine crochet thread. The written pattern of this earring is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to crochet this earring, I am using pearl cotton crochet thread and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So this crochet thread is available in Etsy, and I have seen them available in Hobby Lobby as well. So starting round 1 would be work a magic ring, and then we will work 8 single crochet around the magic ring, and then we'll finish off this round by working a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet. So once you've worked 8 single crochet, tighten the magic ring and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 1. So for round 2, we are going to work a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then we are going to work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then we will be working chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we work a single crochet on your next stitch. So then we again work a chain 3, and then we work 1 single crochet on your next stitch. So we are going to repeat this pattern around. So we will work 1 single crochet on the next stitch and then followed by a chain 3. So we're going to work like this around. So at the end of this round we'll have 8 single crochet with in between chain 3 spaces. So once this round is complete, we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 2. So once you work this round 2, just tighten the center of your magic ring and then secure it with a knot. So now before proceeding to round 3, we are going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 3 space, and then we are going to work a chain 3 and then double crochet 2 together on the chain 3 space. This is considered as our first double crochet 3 together. And once we have worked this, we will work a chain 5. And then we will go ahead work double crochet 3 together in every chain 3 space followed by a chain 5. So we work a double crochet 3 together in the chain 3 space of the previous row and then chain 5. So work this pattern around, that is work a double crochet 3 together in the chain 5 space followed by a chain 5 around, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting double crochet 3 together, that is our chain 3 double crochet 2 together to close this round 3. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So once round 3 is complete, we are going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 5 space, and then we work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then we work a single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and then 1 triple crochet, and then chain 2. So I'm working my triple crochet here, and then chain 2. So everything we are going to work in the chain 5 space. Chain 2 followed by a triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. So we work everything in the chain 5 space of the previous row. So we are going to continue working this pattern around, that is in every chain 5 space of the previous row. We are going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, chain 2, 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So we are going to work this pattern around, and then we close this round 4 by working a slip stitch on our top of our starting single crochet. So continue to work this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round 4. So before proceeding to round 5, we are going to slip stitch until the chain 2 space of your previous round. So one of your chain 2 space of your previous round. So I'm going to work slip stitches on top of your half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and then on the chain 2 space. So 4 slip stitches I will be working, and then I work a chain 1 which does not count as a stitch, and then I work 4 single crochets on the chain 2 space of your previous row, and then once that is done, I will be working 6 chains, and then we work 4 single crochet on every chain 2 space of your previous round, followed by a chain 6. So we work 4 single crochet on the chain 2, that is middle of the petal like stitch that we've created, and then we once that is completed, we work a chain 6 to reach the next chain 2 space of the previous round, and then we continue working 4 single crochet on it, followed by a chain 6 space. So continue to work like this around, and work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 5. So continue to work like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round 5. So for round 6 I work a chain 1 and then I slip stitch onto the next single crochet stitch, and then I will work a chain 4 and then work a single crochet on the next stitch, which is the third single crochet of the 4 single crochet that we worked on the chain 2 space, and then I work a chain 2 and then I work 1 single crochet on the chain 6 space of the previous row, and then I work 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet and 1 half double crochet all in the chain 6 space of the previous row. And then I work a single crochet on the chain 6 space, and then I work a chain 2 and then work a single crochet on the second single crochet on the 4 single crochets that we worked on the chain 2 space, and then once this is done we will work a chain 4 and then work 1 single crochet on the third single crochet of the previous row, and then chain 2, work 1 single crochet on the chain 6 space of the previous row, then I work a chain 2, work 1 single crochet on the chain 6 space of the previous row. So this is the chain 4. I'm going to work 1 single crochet on the third single crochet, and then once this is done I will work a chain 2 So once this is done I'm going to work a chain 2 and then I work 1 single crochet on the chain 6 space of the previous row, and then in the chain 6 space of the previous row I'm going to work 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets and 1 half double crochet all in the chain 6 space of the previous row, and then I work 1 more single crochet on the chain 6 space, and then again I work 1 single crochet on the second single crochet of the 4 single crochet groups of the previous row. So I've completed the stitches in the chain 6 space, and then I work a chain 2 and then I work a single crochet on the second single crochet of the 4 single crochet group of the previous row. Then I work a chain 4 and then I work a single crochet on the third single crochet of the 4 single crochet groups of the previous row, and then I work a chain 2 and then I work a single crochet on the chain 6 space of the previous row. Continue to work this pattern around, and we will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round, and then you can fasten off and weave your ends. So continue with this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. I fasten off my yarn and then I worked a slip stitch, and then I'm going to weave this ends and secure it with a knot. Here is my earrings after my ends are weaved. It still looks kind of wobbly. It needs to be stiffened. I'm going to use a blocking technique for this. So I've explained a detailed blocking technique in my previous video of earrings called sunburst earrings. I will attach the link of that video in the description box. So here it is, my earrings after it has been blocked. So it's nice and stiff, and I'm going to attach a pair of earring hoops to this blocked earrings. So it's going to go like this, and here it is. I've attached my earring hooks, the fish hooks, to this blocked earrings. Now it's nice and stiff, and it's a very good and cute pair of earrings that you can make in minutes, and it's a wonderful gifting idea as well. I hope you found this pattern easy to follow. You can find the written pattern in the website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. So please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.